Hi, course creators. You built an online course. You installed a popular LMS plugin. Then came the add-ons. The certificate pack, extra. The analytics upgrade, extra. Before you knew it, you'd spent more on plugins than on your course itself. Introducing WP Pro LMS, the only WordPress LMS that ships with everything built in. No add-ons, no upsells, no compromise. Before you launch to hundreds of students, wouldn't you want to know if your server can handle it? WP Pro LMS is the only LMS with a built-in load simulator. Enter your expected number of concurrent students, hit run, and in seconds it tells you your estimated response time, peak RAM usage, total database queries, and the exact PHP FPM setting you need. No other LMS does this, not LearnDash, not Tutor LMS, nobody. The biggest advantage of using WP Pro LMS is that course can be imported from CSV or Excel. The quizzes are handled separately through WP Pro Quiz Revamped plugin. There also you can use Google Sheet or CSV to import quizzes. Every student who completes a course automatically receives a professionally designed A4 PDF certificate, generated entirely on your server. No third-party services, no API keys required. Each certificate carries a unique verification ID in the format WP LMS 2026 XYZ RAND 8 and an embedded QR code that anyone can scan to instantly verify the credential is real. Employers, universities, anyone. Some LMS plugin make you buy a separate certificate builder add-on, and some give you a basic template. But WP Pro LMS gives you full professional PDF certificates with scannable QR verification, out of the box. No extra charge. WP Pro LMS ships with a full analytics engine, the kind other plugins sell for $99 a year as a pro add-on. See your enrollments trending over 30 days. Discover which lesson is killing your completion rate with the lesson drop-off funnel. Because knowing exactly where students stop is the difference between a mediocre course and a great one. Track your top students by completed lessons and quiz scores. Export any dataset to CSV in one click. Enrollments, quiz attempts, everything. What would take you hours of clicking, done in one file upload? Import history is logged with a full error report so nothing gets lost. Want students to actually watch your videos before moving on? Set a video watch gate on any lesson, require them to watch 50%, 80%, even 100% of the video before the next lesson unlocks. Real engagement, real accountability. Plus, WooCommerce Integration built in, no add-on needed. Free preview lessons to attract students. Drag and drop curriculum builder. Per instructor capability controls. Full REST API. And a system font stack that keeps your pages loading fast. No external font requests slowing you down. Everything the others charge extra for, WP Pro LMS includes in a single purchase. Stop paying for the plugin, then the add-on, then the add-on for the add-on. Get WP Pro LMS, the complete WordPress LMS that respects your budget and your students. Visit WPWepluginsforyou.com and build courses the right way.